Riaan Manser, the outdoors editor, takes his boys on an adventure, combining a family road trip with an unexpected surf lesson. The journey begins with a Ford Tourneo, a spacious vehicle that accommodates their surfboards, bags, and towels effortlessly. The author highlights the unique experience of driving along the underrated coastal road, filled with breathtaking views. The scent of surf wax and the excitement of the boys create a memorable start to their Sunday. Despite initial concerns about the vehicle's size and parking, the 360-degree cameras and forward-positioned front wheels make maneuvering a breeze. The family's surf lesson at Koeël Bay on Clarence Drive is a highlight, with Samuel showing disinterest and James excelling. The author's role shifts from a participant to a coach, cheering on James as he rides the waves. The day is filled with laughter, snacks, and the joy of creating family memories. The author emphasizes the importance of such outdoor experiences and encourages readers to embrace the outdoors, driven by Ford's commitment to honest reviews.